Welcome, dear students. Today we have to deal about seed replacement rate. What is seed replacement rate? You can say that how much quality seed is used in a particular area or in a particular country out of total seed required for the whole area or for all the country. Uh, if you are able to enhance the SRR of your area or of your country or of your state, you are able to enhance the productivity and production of your area or of your state or of your country. So you see the situation. First, the SRR is a measure of cropped area covered with quality seeds. This is the definition. Or second definition, you can see SRR is a measure of how much of the total cropped area covered with quality seed or certified seed in comparison to farm saved seeds. Here there should not be the confusion between quality seed and certified seed, because here I cannot say that how the statistics is being calculated, this SRR of the country, whether it is being calculated on quality seeds or it is being calculated on certified seed. But the percent which is being shown at present, it seems that it is being calculated by the certified seed, use of certified seed, because you can have the statistics of certified seed, that how much certified seed of a particular variety of particular crop in the country has been produced. You have that idea because of the proper seed chain system. It is being controlled by the central government, that how much breeder seed is required, that indent is given to the ICAR for producing the breeder seed as per the requirement of the foundation seed, and the foundation seed is required on the demand of the certified seed. So how much certified seed is produced, all statistics is available. But if you talk about the quality seeds, the proper control system, I think it is not available. So whatever statistics is being used as present, that is dependent on the certified seed, not on the quality seed. Because under quality seed, if you see, whatever seed is produced by the private companies of those varieties which have not been notified by the government of India, that may not come in the seed chain. So the private companies are producing the truthfully labeled seed. Of course, truthfully labeled seeds are also coming under quality seeds. So if SRR of our country has been are being calculated based upon only certified seed, so it means whatever percentage we are seeing today, that may be more than that, because you don't have proper statistics of quality seeds other than certified seeds, which is being sold by the private companies as truthfully labeled seed. So, doesn't matter. Let us see based upon certified seed itself. So, if you see the SRR is equal to the percent, SRR percent, you SRR percent X by Y multiplied by 100. So where X is quantity of actual quality seeds used in an area, and Y is quantity of quality seeds required for the entire cropped area. For example, if you take that if X is 1000 quintal of a particular variety and Y is 10,000 quintal, so your SRR percent will be 10%. Now if you see that seed replacement rate of food grain crops in India, it is ranging in between 15 to 20% only, which varies with crop varieties. So see, total on an average, still you are having SRR percent 15 to 20 only. So how much gap you see? How much gap you are having? The actual requirement of the seed, of quality seed, and the availability and utilization of the quality seed. So this is a signal that you have big gap, you have opportunity. So 80 to 85% seeds are being used by the farms, saved seeds. They are not actually seeds. The crops, farmers have grown the crops, and from those crops they have saved the seed to use as seed. So if you see the difference you are getting in yield potential, as you know that it ranges from 10 to 15 to 20% depending upon the quality seeds and the farm use seeds quality. So if you take only 10% differences, so how much yield potential, the productivity and production can be increased of your country. And there is a big scope of seed industry in the country, because what happens, farmers are not getting actually the quality seeds at proper time in proper price. So if you are able to provide the quality seeds to them at proper time at a reasonable price, you can enhance the SRR percent, and thereby you can increase the productivity and production of your country. So you have lot of scope in seed industry in the country, that you have to fill this gap, which is 80 to 85%. Still farmers, if you go to the farmers, still they are unable to get the quality seeds. Even in the market, they are getting spurious seeds. This is unfortunate. So this is our responsibility to provide quality seeds to majority of the farmers, so that we can enhance the production and productivity of our country, and we can help the farmers in achieving or in doubling their farm income. At least in doubling the farm incomes, you can enhance their income by 10 to 15% just by this, and the seed industry can grow, and thereby you can generate more employment also. So there is a lot of scope in seed industry. So this is the situation of SRR. And if you talk about the hybrids, so in hybrids, you see wherever hybrids are being used, of course, in those areas, 100% seed replacement rate is required. Say for example, if you see in case of rice, just little example, if you put in case of rice, the total cropped area of rice in the country is around 44 million hectare. And if you see the area covered by hybrid seed is around 3 million hectare. This is not a healthy situation in hybrid rice, because hybrid rice technology or hybrid technology is going to help a lot for enhancing the productivity of any crop as well as of rice. And that is why if you see China, the hybrid rice area, the 50%, around 50% hybrid rice area is covered by hybrid rice. And in India, you see 44 million hectare rice acreage, and we are having only around 3 million hectare covered with hybrid rice. This is coming around 7%. This is coming around 7%. So of course, so if you have idea that in a particular crop, how much percent area is covered by hybrid, likewise in maize. So whatever area is covered by hybrids, all those areas is having 100% seed replacement rate. So in this 3 million hectare, 100% seed has to be replaced, because the hybrid seed, the farmers cannot use their own produce as a hybrid seed in next season, because the hybrids are F1, and in next generation they are producing it, that will become F2. So farmers may not use this F2 as a seed, as a hybrid seed for next season. So I mean to say that whatever area is covered by hybrid varieties, there is 100% seed replacement rate. So if you talk about total rice coverage, so 7%, that is 100%. The 3 million hectare is covered by hybrids, so 7%. So apart from this, how much other quality seed is being used in other areas? The 41 million hectare. So that has to be seen, and what is coming, that has to be calculated for whole rice area. So this I wanted to explain, that in case of hybrids, the 100% seed replacement rate will be there, but if you calculate for whole area, so according to the percentage of hybrids and the normal varieties, you have to calculate SRR by calculating all total area for calculating the percentage. So here I wanted to say that this is directly related to the productivity and production, SRR. So we have a lot of opportunity in seed industry in the country, as well as we have large opportunity to enhance the production and productivity and production of our country of food grains. Thanking you very much.